Utilizing your temples as your guide, you're going to pull back your hair into a half ponytail and secure away. Pulling up on the crown helps to give a little bit more lived-in tousled look. Next, we're going to reach for our spray wax from Keune just to give a little bit of texture within that ponytail. From there, lift up a section of your elastic to secure in your headscarf. And from here, we're just going to twist our hair around and then twist the scarf around the hair. Once you've reached the end of the scarf, you're just going to secure that with a clear elastic so the scarf and your hair become one. If you want a little bit more texture and a bigger bun, pull up on your hair before you circle around. And from here, we are going to take a beautiful magic grip clip and we're going to secure away our hair in a bun fashion. I hope you enjoyed this easy half up bun hairstyle. Next up is a low effortless bun that you can work from home, go to the grocery store, or utilize as a date night in. So after you're securing your ponytail, just pull through, keeping the tail end of your pony up towards the crown of your hair, pulling up on any hair that you may want to have a little bit more texture on. Clip away the end of the ponytail and pull apart in that bun area. After we sprayed a little spray wax from Keune in, give a little back combing and pull that hair to the right. Take a small portion of your elastic and run the end of that hair through, giving it a little bit pull apart, secure with any bobby pins if needed, and voila, a super easy pull apart low bun. Next up is a deconstructed chignon. So what we're going to do here is again create a very low ponytail. At the end of the ponytail, secure with a small elastic and then just create a topsy-turvy ponytail. Feed the end of that hair through once more through the topsy-turvy ponytail, taking as much or as little hair as you'd like for the size of the bun. From there, you're going to take the end, wrap it around, and secure it away with a bobby pin. Any loose hairs, tuck on away. If you'd like to give it a little extra flair, you can take a headscarf, feed that through the middle, give it a nice tie on top, and you have a beautiful accessory to go with your low, easy maintenance bun.